That was my dog, Ronnie. Here she is again. I think she wants to eat us. Ah! Eat the viewers, not me. I'm unedible. Ah! Ah! No. She's coming back. Hey, don't need the camera. Yeah, that was my dog, Ronnie. She's a crazy dog. She eats just about everything she can get her hands on, including hands, which is weird. Say goodbye to the audience. Isn't she just so cute, though? Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Ronnie. It's the thought that counts.